To breaking updates coming in as we have details of the all-party meeting. The Congress party has demanded the deputy speaker's post. The YSRCP and the JDU demanding special category for Andhra as well as Bihar. And Gaurav Gogoi has raked up the issues of NEET, the misuse of central agencies like ED, CBI, as well as also raising the issue of the deputy speaker's post. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, we're seeing fireworks even ahead of the session beginning. This was the all-party meeting, and the opposition, including the Congress party, of course, raking up the issue of not just NEET and alleged misuse of central agencies, but also demanding for the deputy speaker's post.
Well, I would say this is on an expected line. In fact, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, even before going into the meeting, he said there's so many issues that we are going to take up, and including insult to the sacrifice made by Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. But he also said that deputy speaker post has traditionally been with the largest opposition party, or at least some opposition parties, and that should be given to the opposition parties this time. This was not given last time as well at all. In fact, this is one of the demands that Mr. Gaurav Gogoi has made in the all-party meeting, a meeting that is being chaired by Mr. Rajnath Singh. Mr. Kiran Rijiju and JP Nadda is on the dais. There are other parliamentary affairs minister like L. Murugan and Arjun Meghwal is also present. Government is taking note of all these demands, but there are also, arguments over the demands as well. There is negotiations on the demands as well, but a few of the demands that have been made by the opposition parties, we are giving you inside details of it. Also, apart from that, there are many issues that have been taken up by the opposition, including Gaurav Gogoi has said things about misuse of central agencies like CBI, ED, and not just that, he has also said that NEET issue should be discussed in the parliament, and this is a demand that has come from other opposition party leaders as well. There is a demand for special category status from JDU and from YSRCP is what we are hearing from our sources. They are demanding some sort of security to MPs as well. We have spoken to a representative of AJSU, and also he said that we are also going to take up this demand, at least some sort of security to MPs. So apart from that, special status, NEET, there is misuse of CBI, ED, central agencies, and also deputy speaker post. These are mainly the demands that are coming from the opposition forum. But how far the negotiation will go, whether government will accede to the demands or whether there will be a common ground, because the emphasis is on to ensure that at least this session will see some business. At least there should be constructive participation from the opposition in this particular parliamentary session, which is also a budget session, important one. And this is probably why the government, which is a customary meet, but government in this particular meeting tries to reach out to the opposition to ensure that there's smooth functioning of the parliament. And because there is a lot of business that is, pending right now for the government. The government want to finish it off as soon as possible.
And this is the budget session.